In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on image. Click on create. After log in with your email. Here you can type in your prompt. Change your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this, simply click on Download. Let's try another sample. If you want to download this, simply click on download here and you will get images without any watermark. If you want more videos like this, let me know in comments below.